Hi, my name is Felicia Marzoff, and I am presenting the 19th Amendment. In the United States, early women's suffrage movements began in the mid-1800s. Women would organize meetings to discuss rights and equality they thought they deserved. The main focus for the women was to get the right to vote. The movement grew and women became more determined to win. Finally, in 1920, the 19th Amendment was passed and ratified. The 19th Amendment states, "The right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on account of sex." The 19th Amendment was the foundation of a larger women's movement that included women's safety, employment opportunities, and reproductive rights, and changed the role of women in modern society. One area of rights women have been fighting for is their basic safety. The Violence Against Women Act is part of the Violent Crimes Control and Law Enforcement Act. It was created to end violence against women. A specific case related to women's safety and the Violence Against Women Act is United States v. Morrison. This was a case involving a female student at the University of Virginia Tech who was raped. The school conducted an investigation, but nothing was done to help her. So she sued the school and men under a section of the Violence Against Women Act. The Supreme Court ruled that section of the Violence Against Women Act unconstitutional based on the Commerce Clause and Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The section states, "All persons within the United States shall have the right to be free from crimes of violence motivated by gender." Although this case made a section of the law unconstitutional, the Violence Against Women Act still provides protection for women. Along with women fighting for safety, women have been working towards equal pay and opportunities in the workplace. The Equal Employment Opportunities Commission was passed by John F. Kennedy about 40 years after the 19th Amendment. The act aims to create equal opportunities and eliminate discrimination in the workplace, but women continue to fight for their equality. In 2013, the Equal Employment Opportunities Commission recorded 3,541 cases of pregnancy discrimination and 7,256 cases of sexual discrimination. These are only the documented statistics for discrimination against women in the workplace. In addition to the Equal Employment Opportunities Commission, the Equal Pay Act was also passed by John F. Kennedy, which makes it illegal to pay workers unequally based on gender discrimination. Studies continue to demonstrate that in certain types of occupations, women who hold the same jobs as men and who are just as qualified are being paid less. Currently, women make 77 cents on the same dollar that men earn. Women politicians are still working on campaigns for women's rights on pay equality. One of the more recent and controversial rights women are fighting for is reproduction rights, which include abortions, birth control, and other methods of contraception. Roe v. Wade is the famous case that legalized abortion. During this time in the United States, abortions were considered a common law crime. Many states, however, allowed women to get an abortion under specific circumstances, such as the mother's life being in danger. Roe wanted an abortion, so she sued the state, and her case was based on her belief that not being able to get an abortion violated her right to privacy and personal liberties. I think it is interesting to point out that now the woman behind Roe v. Wade is pro-life and is dedicating her life to overturning the decision. There are many reasons why people are either for or against abortion. Some of the main points for the pro-choice side are: the child becomes a person when the fetus is visible, the fetus does not feel pain during the abortion, abortion is safe, and it provides women with options. On the other side, a couple of reasons why people are pro-life are for religious beliefs. They believe life starts at the moment of conception, abortion is unsafe, and it causes psychological damage. Through the women's movement and constitutional law, women's equality and rights have drastically expanded and changed in the last century. Cases like Roe v. Wade and United States v. Morrison have redefined women in society. There are laws allowing equality in the workplace, voting rights, reproductive choices, and so much more. Feminists continue to fight for women in many of these areas and more. Thanks for watching my video.